n equivalent to 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 power 4 into 3 square. Find the total number of. Find the total number of. Find the total number of. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. First one, even factors. First one, even factors. Next one, odd factors. Even factors. Odd factors. I'll put a line here. Same variety. Factors which are multiples of 3. Factors which are multiples of 3. Factors which are multiples of 3. Next one, factors which are not multiples of 6. Factors which are not multiples of 6. Factors which are not multiples of 6. Let us discuss this concept. There is a number 144. 144, it is a composite number. I wrote the number as a power of prime basis, 2 power 4 into 3 square. In that number, there are some factors which are even. I need to count it. There are some odd factors. I need to count it. Then another variety. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Then there is a number 2 power 4 into 3 square. Find the total number of even factors and odd factor. What do you mean by an even number? What do you mean by even factors? What do you mean by even factors? Factors which are even numbers. Factors which are even numbers. What do you mean by an even number? Even number is a number which is divisible by 2. Factors which are even numbers are called even factors. Factors which are divisible by 2. Any number which is divisible by 2 is of the form 2 into something. Any number which is divisible by 2, it is of the form 2 into something. So this will be 2 into 2 cube into 3 square. 2 into 2 cube into 3 square. Why I took 2 into something? Why? Because it's an even number. It's an even number. Any even number is a number which is perfectly divisible by 2. Even number is a number which is perfectly divisible by 2. So any number which is divisible by 2 is of the form 2k. So 2 into, remaining it is 2 cube into 3 square. Remaining it is 2 cube into 3 square. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 2 and becoming an even factor. How many factors are there for this number? From 0 to 3. Why we should start with 0? Because 1 is the lowest factor for any number. 0 to 3, 4 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Very conceptual. Even factor. The same question can also be asked like this. Even factor, factors which are divisible by 2. Factors which are divisible by 2. Factors which are divisible by 2. Or factors which are multiples of 2. Factors which are multiple to. The same concept can also be extended to point C. Factors which are multiples of 3. Factors which are multiples of 3. Any multiple of 3 is written as 3 into something. Any multiple of 3 is written as 3 into something. So 3 into, remaining it is 2 power 4. 3 square already 3 we wrote. So what is there in the bracket? 3 power 1. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 3. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 3. And therefore factors which are multiples of 3. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Are you all with me? 5 2s are 10. Factors which are multiples of 2, it is an even number. Factors which are multiples of 3, it is 3 into some natural number. Factors which are multiples of 5, it is 5 into some natural number. Factors which are not multiples of 10, that means total factors minus factors which are multiples of 10. We will use a negation approach. We will use a negation approach. Now see, odd factors. I want odd factors. There are two ways to do odd factors. It is total factors minus total number of even factors. total factors. TF stands for total factors. TEF stands for total number of even factors. Total factors are 15. Total number of even factors are 12. 15 minus 12, it is 3. 15 minus 12, it is 3. This is one approach. This is one approach. Odd factor. Odd factor means, see, even number plus odd number. Even number plus odd number combination, it is a natural number. When you add in even numbers and odd numbers, you will get a natural number. So when you add even factors and odd factors, you will get the total number of factors. Total number of factors is always equivalent to even factors plus odd factors. Total number of factors is always equivalent to even factors plus odd factors. So total 15 minus 12, it is 3. Another way to look at this question is, it is an odd factor. It is an odd factor. It is an odd factor. Odd factor means it is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. Odd number will never be divisible by 2. Odd number is a number which is never divisible by 2. Odd number is a number which is never divisible by 2. So n equivalent to 2 power 4 into 3 square. It is never divisible by 2. Eliminate all the powers of 2. Eliminate all the powers of 2. So 3 power 2, which all combinations? 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Total how many combinations I got? 3 combinations I got. Odd number is a number which is never divisible by 2. Whenever you are finding out the odd factor, remove all the powers of 2. Why? Because odd number will never be divisible by 2. Odd number will never be divisible by 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, factors which are not multiples of 6 is total factors minus factors which are multiples of 6. Total factors are 15 minus multiples of 6 is 2 into 3. Remaining it will be 2 cube into 3 power 1. It is 6 into something. Are you all with me? So how many are there? 4 into 2, 8. 15 minus 8. It is equivalent to 7. 15 minus 8, it is equivalent to 7. Is the idea very clear to you? Total factors which are not multiples of 6 is total factors minus factors which are multiples of 6. Total factors minus factors which are multiples of 6. So 15 minus 4 into 2, 8. 15 minus 8, it is 7. 4 questions, it is clear, right? Even factor, odd factors, factors which are multiples of 3 and factors which are not multiples of 3. I hope the idea it is clear.